Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darren and this is Darren's Corner. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite summer drinks, and that is Pina Colada. I'm not just going to show you one way to make this favorite drink of mine, but I'm going to be showing you two ways to enjoy this refreshing drink. But before we go into the main video for today, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is that button you're going to be seeing on your screen right now, and also on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Let's get into the recipe for today. So for my Pina Colada, I'm using fresh coconut as well as fresh pineapple. Some other people would use, the store-bought frozen pineapple as well as the canned coconut milk. I'm not using that. I'm using fresh product for mine to make it more refreshing. The first thing you're going to be doing would be to crack your coconut, and you can click on this video on how to select the coconut and how to extract the water from the coconut. I'm not going to go into a lot of details on that because I have a video tutorial to show you how to do this seamlessly. That's the coconut water that's just been extracted. Then the next thing would be to crack your coconut and extract the coconut milk that we will need for this recipe. Also, if you want to see how to do that, make sure you click on the link you're going to be seeing on your right side of the screen to learn how to do that. And so sit back, relax, and watch me get the milk out of the coconuts. And this is what the finished look of the milk should look like. That's your coconut milk, and you see that thick portion, we're going to be using that as well as the rest of that coconut milk for our recipe. So the next thing you're going to be doing now is to get your pineapples, and if you also want to know how to select a good pineapple, please click on the link that you're seeing on the right side of your screen, because I have a full video tutorial to show you how to select a good sweet pineapple as well as how to cut the pineapple. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. I'm just going to go ahead and cut my pineapple and get it ready for this recipe. So the next thing, once you finish cutting your pineapple, is to freeze it. So we need to have the frozen pineapple for this recipe. Now that we are all done, this is what you need for this Pina Colada. You need a frozen pineapple, you need your coconut water, you need the coconut milk, you need some ice, you need plenty ice in fact, and you also need some cherries for topping up your Pina Colada drink. So let's blend our pineapple and our coconut water and the coconut milk together. So if you want to add alcohol into this recipe, that is the rum, this is the best time for you to do that. So add in your rum and blend everything together to make it into a very juicy and refreshing drink. So in goes my coconut water. And the next thing that is going to be added to this is my coconut milk. So I'm pouring everything into this recipe. So you can see the thick portion went in first, and then the kind of diluted portion goes in next. And then I'm going to be adding in plenty ice to this. You need a lot of ice for this recipe because that's what gives it that Pina Colada feel. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into a smooth paste, and while that is blending, I'm just going to get ready my cherries. So I just soaked my cherries in hot boiling water to soften it and make it sweeter, and that is the blended pineapple and coconut milk. So I'm just going to pour this into my cup, and you can see how lovely that looks. And I'll just top up with my cherries and insert a good straw. And this is what the finished product of your pina colada drink should look like. It is absolutely refreshing, and it's just hit the taste buds right. So for the other recipe, I'm going to be using my popsicle mold. I've used this popsicle mold for a previous recipe before, and if you want to buy this, I bought it from the kitchen joint. Make sure you click on the link below. It takes you directly to the product page for this mold. And I'm just inserting the cherries into the base of the mold because I want it to have that pina colada effect, just like we had for the one we used in the cup. So I've just put in the cherries at the base for 4 of them, and then the other one I'm going to put it at the top of the mold. So next I'm just going to be pouring in the same mixture into the mold, and I'll just do this for all the available mixture. So I'm all done. I'm just going to go ahead and put my popsicle sticks into the mold, and I'm going to go ahead and freeze this, and I'll show you what it looks like the following day. So now I'm ready to pop out my popsicles from the popsicle mold. That's my pina colada popsicle, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove this individually and put it in the ice that's in the bowl. Guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. You can see the cherries, within the popsicle, the pina colada popsicle, so gives it that unique look and makes it look more like the pina colada that it should be. That's it, guys. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video recipe for today, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Please let me know which you prefer. Do you prefer the direct in the cup, that's the normal pina colada, or would you prefer to make a popsicle out of it, just like we have in this picture here? Just let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply to you. I hope you all have a refreshing and quench thirsty summer, just like this my pina colada here. Thank you so much. Bon appetit.